I'm going to make your life very happy and easy with this recipe. I know breakfast is a hardship for a lot of families. It was at our home. But this is such an easy recipe. You can make it, put it in the freezer, pop it out, pop it in the microwave, and off you go for a great day. Today we're talking about sausage, gravy, egg, cheese, and biscuit muffin. And that's a mouthful. So stay tuned. We have our ingredients here. We have an egg. I'm going to go ahead and break that into the bowl, just one egg, because we're not making a lot of this, just enough to fill up a muffin tin. Now if you have more than 6 tins, you may want to double the recipe, but I'm going to do it for the 6 today. So one egg, I'm going to go ahead and beat it. Throw in about 1/2 cup of cheese. That's Monterey Jack, and mix that all together. We're going to put one big spoonful in, or maybe about a cup perhaps. Mix it right in there. We'll just set that aside for now. So we're going to cut that in half. We're going to smash it down real flat. It's sometimes easier to do this in your hand. If you do it on the board, it might stick, but we're going to just smash it and pull it, stretch it, kind of like pizza dough there. Stick it down in there. It's okay if it comes up around the sides. That's not a problem. Take this mixture. We're going to put it right down in there. Pretty nice, generous portion. You see, it doesn't take much to do 6. I actually probably could have done a few more. Put it right down in there. Fill it right up almost to the top. So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to take the biscuit and I'm going to flatten it out some. Stick it right on top. Work it right in there. Tell you what we're going to do on these 3 over here. We're going to add a little more cheese and see what happens with those 3. That'll be good. I like jalapenos. Sometimes I'll put jalapenos or Rotel tomatoes down inside there, just to give it a little different flair. You can even put cooked bacon in it. Cooked bacon is fabulous to give it a little more flavor. Whatever you want to do. It's a great thing about cooking. It's all subject to the artist's interpretation. So we're going to put that on there. Stick this in there real quick. This is going to go in the oven about 350 degrees. We're going to check it out for about 20 minutes and come back and see how we did. I just took these out of the oven. They were in there at 350 degrees for about 20 or 25 minutes. I monitored it, and when they started getting a little brown on top, I put a little piece of foil over the top, pulled them out. They've been resting about 15 minutes. And there you have it, folks, a muffin. That's a breakfast muffin. So delicious. I could pop that right in my mouth right now and eat it. We're going to freeze these. We're going to stick them in the freezer back home, and then in the morning when we want a breakfast real quick, pull it out, pop it in the microwave for a couple, 2 or 3, 4 minutes, and there you'll have it. So delicious. I hope you enjoyed this video today on these little breakfast muffins. They're wonderful. Like this video today. Be sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't. If you learned anything today, subscribe. Share it with your friends. This is John Woods on All Things Food. And remember, always love to cook, but cook to love.